I'll start this session 9 program BCom subject commerce semester 5th semester Mangalore University 9th session the first chapter intraheads and interheads of income leading to computation of gross total income. Intraheads means set of loss from one source against income from another source under the same head of income. Loss from one source of income can be set off against income from another source of income under the same head called as intraheads set off. Few exceptions. Loss from speculation business can be set up. You know that speculation business means gambling business, smuggling, lottery, horse race, betting can be set off only against profits from the speculation business. Second exceptions. Long-term capital loss can be set off. It can be set off only against, condition is, if there is a long-term capital loss in the problem, it can be set off only against if there is long-term capital gain in the problem. Third one, loss from activity of owning and maintaining horse races comes under the income from other sources, can be set off only against the same income. Fourth exception, loss from specified business referred under section 35 AD can be set up only against another specified business. Loss can't be set off against winning from lottery, crossword puzzles, race, card games and other games. Lottery, crossword puzzles, races, card games, loss ಆದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು set off ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. Second one, set off loss from one head against income from another head. Loss under one head of income can be set off against income under another head of income. Here also few exceptions given in the Income Tax Act. Loss from speculation business at any cost can't be set off against any other heads of income. Loss from speculation business can be set off against profit from speculation business. If there is no profit from speculation business, you should not set off against any other heads of income. Loss under the head capital gain can't be set off against any other heads of income. If there is profit from capital gain, it can be set off, but if there is no income from the capital gain, loss under the head capital gain can't be set off against any other heads of income. Loss from activity of owning and maintaining horse races can't be set off against any other heads of income. Loss from specified business referred under section 35 AD can't be set off against any other heads of income. Yes. Regarding this intra and inter set off and carry forward losses, we are having one problem. Navaneet, a resident individual, submit the following information. Yes, business A, loss of the year 2019-20 40,000, bought forward loss of the year 2018-19 39,000. Business B, profit of the year 2019-20 1,50,000. Business C, previous year ends on 31st March, business discontinued on 10th April 2019. Profit for the period, bought forward a loss of 18-19 39,000 loss. Business D, previous year ends on 31st March, business discontinued on 31st March 2019. Bought forward loss of 18-19 40,000. Income from other sources, loss from activity of owning and maintaining camels for races, dividends on units of UTI held as stock in trade, interest on debentures held as investments, long-term capital loss, income from house property. Determine the gross total income of Navneet. Also calculate the amount of loss which can be carried forward for being set off in the next assessment year. Go through the solution. Computation of gross total income for the assessment year 2020-21. Income from house property clearly given in the problem, 57,600. Income from salary, actually it is a starting point in case of computation of gross total income. But in this problem, income from salary is not given. So straight away we can write income from house property 57,600. Income from business, here 4 transactions are given relating to the income from business. One is A business loss 48,000, B business profit 1,50,000. In case of C business, no profit, no loss. Activity of owning and maintaining camels for races 9,000. So just to go through the current business income is 99,000, profit 1,56,000 B business, minus 48,000 loss of business A, and 9,000 activity of owning and maintaining camels for races. Actually it is does not comes under the income from other sources, it is a business expenses. So current business income 99,000. Here in the given problem 3 carry forward losses are given. Bought forward loss 39,000, 39,700 plus one more bought forward loss of 18, 19, 40,000. Add all these 3 losses, you will get 1,18,700. What is the business income? 99,000. Maximum deduction 99,000 will get in this financial year. 1,18,700 minus 99,000, whatever the balance goes to the subsequent years. ये कंप्लीट कर दी 90